Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's begin by opening the settings. Let me find the settings. And here in this left section we have to scroll down to find device care. Then let's tap on App Protection and tap on Turn On. Tap on Turn On and tap on Scan Tablet. Now your device will basically scan itself in order to find any kind of viruses, malware, any kind of problems, and after the scan it will show you the results. Preferably everything will be alright and no threats will be found, but if your device will find something, then it will inform you about it, and it will show you possible steps which you can take in order to get rid of the risk. So just wait patiently, and as you can see, in my case, no threats has been detected. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.